What is going on, everybody? My name's Christian Robert. On this channel, we talk stocks, personal finance, and wealth building. And today, I'm sharing my net worth with you for the month of June. If you follow the channel, I track my net worth on a monthly basis, and I take you through all of my investments. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and like the video, and let's jump right into this. So how we do this is we go through all of my liabilities and then my assets, and at the end we figure out what my current net worth is. So let's jump right into this one. So here you can see all of my liabilities, and it's mostly credit cards. And the first one is American Express, sitting at $850. So that's less $20 less from last month. Art Van is sitting at $1150. So that's $80 less than last month. Gardner White is at $24.45, $90 less. And the big one is PNC is down to $1,000. That's a decrease of $1,772. And then Citibank, $23.50 minus $139, flat on the last one. So that means I have paid $2,100 in credit card debt in the last month. So very happy about that. I was still able to invest a little bit during this month, but that's like a huge chunk of my monthly income. So, hoping that we get rid of the PNC in the next month or so, and it will make life a lot easier. Next, we have the house. We started off at owing $160,000, and we're still at $157,900, bringing the total liabilities to $166,395. So then we go into the assets, and we have Lending Club down to 70. That's minus 390. If you follow the channel, I'm trying to get my money out of this. So actually that 390 also went towards that PNC card. So I should be able to get the rest of this money out in the next month or so. Bitcoin, around $70 worth. M1 Finance, $600. That's up $200 from last month. The Roth IRA I have not funded yet because I did not know that there's a $500 minimum deposit to start investing, so it'll be a little bit of time before I can throw 500 into it at once. Next, we keep silver flat at 200. Robinhood is sitting right at $5,000, so that's an increase of 700 from last month. TD Ameritrade, 51,911. That's an increase of roughly 3,000. I've rounded to the nearest dollar on these. Savings, $1,200, that's up $100. And the home value is at $490,000. That's an increase of $15,000 from last month, bringing my total assets to $549,051, an increase of $11,000 from last month. Now, we started the year at $414,295. So year to date, that's an increase of $134,756, largely due to the house, because if you watched my previous net worth videos, I had some problems with the Zillow because I had to manually list my house because it's a new construction home, so there was never a history of it. So I had to kind of build all the information on it to get an accurate quote. So at first it was very low, and so after looking deeper into it, I saw that I was missing a lot of information. So once I updated it, the value of the house jumped up substantially. So that's why it looks like I'm up so much on the year, but really not that much. But then finally, we look at the net worth. So we take the assets minus the liabilities, and the current net worth is at $383,060. So that is very exciting. If you follow the channel, you know that I have a couple of big goals, and one is to be at $1 million by 35. So that is putting us at 38.3% as of today. I am 27 years old, so we got 8 years to do this. $2.2 million by 50, so we're at 17.41%. And the newest goal is to have a $1,000 monthly dividend income by, this got cut out, but I said by the age of 32 roughly, and that puts us at 20%. If you watched my previous video, the dividend portfolio, you saw that I brought in more than $200. So, I'm hoping in 5 years I get close to this. That's my timeline. It'll be tough, but I think if we keep investing and making smart decisions, anything is possible. So, just got to keep doing the right things. But that is all I have for you guys in this video. As always, make sure if you haven't already subscribed, you do that and like the video and comment down below what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next one.